So I'm going to be answering WAEC 2019 Chemistry Objective Past Question 17. What is the solubility of a salt X at 25 degrees Celsius if the standard solution of the salt contains 0.28 grams in 100 cm³ of solution? A. 0.05 moles per dm cube, B. 0.10 moles per dm cube, C. 2.60 moles per dm cube, D. 2.80 moles per dm cube. Now, solubility is equal to mass over molar mass multiplied by 1000 over volume. Now, the mass is 0.28 grams, so that is 0.228 divided by the molar mass, which is this, X equals 56 grams, that is 56.0 multiplied by 1000 over volume, which is 100 cm³, so that is over 100. Now if you solve that, the answer is 0.05 moles per dm³, and that is option A. So option A, 0.05 moles per dm³, is the answer to the question. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and more past questions and answers. Thank you.